In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed your WordPress.org reviews in a fast and responsive feed like this with no coding needed. To do that, we'll be using the Smashballoon Reviews Feed Pro plugin. To get started, head over to smashballoon.com and purchase Reviews Feed Pro. Once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download Reviews Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Next, on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Then, at the top, click Upload Plugin and upload the zip file for Reviews Feed Pro, just like this, and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. And there we go, Reviews Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. On the left-hand side, you'll now notice Reviews Feed, click on it, and over here, we can paste the license key from our Smashballoon account and click Activate. Now we can begin creating our WordPress.org reviews feed. At the top, click Add New, and for our first step, we'll have to add a source for our feed. Click Add Source, and on this menu, we can see all the different sources we can use with Reviews Feed Pro. With the plugin, you can create a feed of reviews from Google, Facebook, TripAdvisor, Yelp, Trustpilot, and WordPress.org. For this tutorial, let's continue with WordPress.org, select it like this, and click Next. And for step number 2, we'll have to add the URL for the page we want to fetch our reviews from. For this tutorial, let's embed the reviews from the Smashballoon Social Photo Feed plugin. This is the free version of our Instagram Feed Pro plugin. To add this as a source inside the plugin, go ahead and copy the URL at the top, like this, and paste it back inside the plugin. Once that's done, click Finish. Now we can see that added as a source inside the plugin, and it's already selected for us. So click Next. And for the final step of creating our feed, we'll have to select the template for the layout of the feed. We have options like the default, simple cards, masonry, single review, and more. For this tutorial, let's go with the masonry template and click Next. And just like that, we have a live preview of our reviews feed right here inside the plugin. This feed features all the latest reviews for the Smashballoon Social Photo Feed plugin from WordPress.org. Inside each review, you can see the author and date, the star rating, and the review content as well. And on the top right corner of each review, you can also see a WordPress icon indicating that the review is from WordPress.org. This feed is now ready to be embedded inside your WordPress webpage, but before we do that, let me show you how we can customize this. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Layout. Inside this feed, you can see all the different customization options you have for the layout. At the top, we have the masonry layout selected, which displays your reviews in rows and columns. Above that is the list layout, which displays your reviews in a single column list. And lastly, we have a carousel layout, which allows you to swipe through the reviews inside your feed like this. For this tutorial, let's continue with the masonry layout, and if you look below, you can also choose how many reviews you want to display inside your feed on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Currently, we're displaying 6 reviews, but if you want to change that, you can easily enter the number of reviews you want to display. For example, if I want to display 7 reviews, I can type it in like this, and instantly your live preview will update to display 7 posts inside your feed. We can change it back to 6, and if you look below, you can also choose how many columns you want inside your feed. At the moment, we have 3 columns on desktop, and to modify this, once again, you can enter the number of columns you want to display. For example, if I typed in 2, you can see now that we have 2 columns inside our feed rather than 3. And if you're happy with the layout of your reviews feed, you can click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify how each individual review is displayed inside the feed, go into the Customize tab and click on Reviews. Next, go into Edit Individual Elements. Inside this menu, you can see all the different elements inside each review, such as the author and date, the star rating, and the review content. You'll also see images or videos if they're available. Each of these elements inside the review can be customized. For example, if I wanted to hide the author and date, I can go and deselect it here, and the author and date will now be hidden inside each review. And just as easily, I can bring that back, and straight away, that will pop back up inside the review. But you now notice that the author and date is displayed at the bottom of the review. This just shows that you have control over how the elements are stacked inside each review. Currently, the author and date is at the bottom, but if I want to move it back to the top, I can simply click and drag it to the top like this. And instantly, you can see now that the author and date is sitting back at the top of the review. You can do the exact same thing with the other elements too. For example, if I wanted to move the star rating to the bottom, I can click and drag it to the bottom like this. And if I wanted to hide it, I can deselect it, and that will hide the star ratings inside the review as well. I'm going to bring that back and move it to the top, and I'm pretty happy with that. With these options, you can customize the reviews to look exactly how you want to inside the feed. And if you're happy with the changes, click Save on the top right corner. And if you want control to moderate the content inside your reviews feed, go into the Settings tab and click on Moderation. Next, if we enable Moderation mode, you can choose the exact reviews you want to display inside your reviews feed. You have 2 options to use this, with the Allow list and the Block list. With the Allow list, all your reviews will be hidden by default, apart from the ones you manually choose to display like this. Next, with the Block list, all your reviews will be displayed by default, apart from the ones you choose to manually hide. And if you're using moderation mode, you can click Save and Exit, but for this tutorial, I'm going to disable it. And if we go back into Settings and click on Filters, you can see controls to help you filter the reviews inside your feed. At the top, you can see that we're filtering reviews based on star rating. Currently, we've added a filter for 5-star reviews, which only displays the 5-star reviews inside your feed. Underneath that, you can also add words as filters, so your feed only shows or hides reviews containing those words. And lastly, at the bottom, you can also filter reviews based on their character count. with a minimum and maximum. With these filtering and moderation options, you can choose the exact reviews you want to display inside your reviews feed. And if you made any changes, don't forget to click save on the top right corner. Now that you know how to create, customize, and moderate your reviews feed, let me show you how we can embed it on your WordPress webpage. To do that, click embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on add to a page. Next, select the page you want to add your feed to and click add. Now inside your page, you have two different options to embed your reviews feed. First option is by using a shortcode block and pasting the shortcode that you just copied like this. Alternatively, if using block editor, you can use our dedicated reviews feed block like this. With this option, you'll instantly see a live preview of your new reviews feed inside your WordPress webpage. Let's click on update and check out what it looks like on the live website. Here we are now on our live WordPress webpage, and right in the middle is our brand new WordPress.org reviews feed. This feed is featuring the latest reviews from the Smashballoon Social Photo Feed plugin in the layout that we selected. Each review features the author and date, the star rating, and the review content as well. On the top right corner, we also have the WordPress.org logo, indicating that the review is from WordPress.org. At the top of the feed, we also have a heading, which features the average star rating, the total number of reviews, and a write a review button. If I click on that, it will take us directly to the plugin page on WordPress.org, which makes it really convenient for your site visitors to go leave reviews for you on WordPress.org directly through your WordPress website. And if I scroll down to the bottom of the feed, you also have a load more button. If I click on it, it will load additional reviews directly on your WordPress website. And if you're wondering if we can embed this reviews feed inside the sidebar or footer of our website, we definitely can. Let me show you how. To embed it inside the sidebar, click embed, copy your dedicated shortcode, then instead of clicking on add to a page, click add to a widget. This will take you into your WordPress widgets menu, and inside the sidebar, to embed your reviews feed, you have the same two options as before. The first option is by using a dedicated reviews feed block. Alternatively, you can use the shortcode block. For this demo, let me show you the shortcode block. You can add the shortcode block and paste in the shortcode that we just copied. Next, I'm going to move it to the top of my sidebar, right here, and once that's done, we can click on update and check out what it looks like on the live website. And here we are on a live WordPress webpage, and on the left-hand side, we had that reviews feed we created earlier in the masonry layout. But now on the right-hand side, we have a second reviews feed, but this time embedded inside the sidebar. This one is just as fast and responsive as the first one, and if you click load more at the bottom, it will load additional reviews directly inside your sidebar. So you now know how to create, customize, and embed beautiful WordPress.org reviews like this on your WordPress website. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you experience any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn about social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.